Jutta Leerdam is a Dutch speed skater specializing in the sprint events. She was born on December 30, 1998 in Netherlands. In Beijing 2022, Jutta Leerdam comes in second to win the speed skating women's 1000-meter silver medal, her first Olympic medal. Miho Takagi of Japan won gold in the women's speed skating 1000 meters. Leerdam is in a relationship with Dutch speed skater Koen Verwij. In 2018, she turned professional and became a member of Team ICO. During the 2017-18 season, she won the ISU Junior World Cup competition in the 1000-meter and 1500-meter events. She also became Dutch Junior Sprint Champion. Leerdam became Junior World Champion at the 2017 World Junior Championships in Helsinki, Finland. The following year, at the 2018 Championships in Salt Lake City, United States, she finished second behind compatriot Joy Bjorn. She completes her education at primary school and college in the Netherlands. She won 1000-meter gold at the 2019 World Single Distance Championships in Angel in national record time.